Welcome to the first stage of the KODS saw blade production process raw material inspection. We uphold strict quality control from the very beginning to ensure the efficiency and reliability of our saw blades, delivering products with exceptional performance. Each saw blade starts with our carefully selected raw materials, from globally sourced carbide to high-quality steel. We meticulously inspect the surface of these materials under a microscope, identifying any cracks, scratches, or other imperfections to ensure that every saw blade is flawless from the very beginning to the final product. Through hardness, metal composition analysis, and surface defect detection, we ensure that the raw materials meet industrial-grade precision standards. Only materials that pass these rigorous tests move on to the next production stage. Hardness testing is crucial to saw blade performance, and we conduct thorough tests on every batch to ensure it meets strict production standards. After rigorous selection, the raw materials move on to the next stage, precision machining. Here, we conduct processing performance tests that simulate real-world conditions, ensuring the materials possess high durability and stable machining performance, thereby enabling precise cutting capabilities. The quality of a saw blade lies not only in the choice of raw materials, but also in the dedication of each process. KODS saw blades always insist on quality first. If you want to know more, welcome to follow us and explore the story behind the saw blade.